Are you looking for an easy way to convert Zimbra TGZ files into MHTML format? Welcome to WholeClear TGZ to MHTML Converter is an advanced and reliable tool designed to export Zimbra TGZ emails into MHTML format while preserving email properties and attachments. Professional features of WholeClear TGZ to MHTML Converter. User-friendly interface. Designed with a smart and intuitive wizard that allows both technical and non-technical users to perform conversions effortlessly. Complete user manual support. Comes with a detailed manual guide to help users understand the conversion process clearly. 100% data integrity assurance. Preserves original email structure, formatting, metadata, and attachments without any alteration. Free trial version available. Allows users to evaluate the software's performance before upgrading to the licensed edition. Step-by-step process to convert TGZ files to MHTML. Step 1. Launch the WholeClear TGZ to MHTML Converter on your system. Step 2. Select TGZ file format as the source email type. Step 3. Choose folder mode or file mode to browse and load TGZ files. Step 4. Select MHTML as the desired output file format. Step 5. Browse and select a destination location to save the converted MHTML files. Step 6. Click Convert Now to start the conversion process. By following these simple steps, users can easily convert TGZ files into MHTML format and open them using Internet Explorer. This software is suitable for both home users and corporate professionals. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.